English bol Chal sentences. मेरा तो इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं. I have nothing to do with it. I have nothing to do with it. वक्त बहुत तेजी से गुजर गया. The time ticked away swiftly. The time ticked away swiftly. मुझे क्या? I don't care. I don't care. कल का दिन बहुत बुरा था मेरा. It was a bad day for me. It was a bad day for me. नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Can't do it. Can't do it. तुमने कर दिखाया. You made it. You made it. सबको तो आ लेने दो. Let everybody come. Let everybody come. ये देखो कैसा है. How about that? How about that? वो वाला दिखाओ. Show me that one. Show me that one. बड़े वाला दिखाओ. The big one. The big one. अच्छे वाला. The good one. The good one. इसे जल्द से जल्द ढूंढो. Search it as soon as possible. Search it as soon as possible. मुझे बात कर लेना चाहिए थी. I should have talked. I should have talked. कब शुरू करना है? When to start? When to start? तो शुरू करें. Shall we start? Shall we start? मेरी समझ से बाहर है. It is out of my way. It is out of my way. तुम्हें आ जाना चाहिए था. You should have joined. You should have joined. उसे तो बड़ी खुशी हुई होगी. He must be happy. He must be happy. मैं कल इधर ही हूँगा. I will be here. I will be here tomorrow. मुझे बेवकूफ़ मत बनाओ. Don't befool me. Don't befool me. मुझे सब्ज़ी का सालन पसंद है. I love veggie dish. I love veggie dish. उसकी बातों पर कान मत धरो. Don't pay a hit towards him. Don't pay a hit towards him. Pay a hit towards him. ले जाओ इसे अपने साथ. Carry with you. Carry with you. ज़रा नमक पकड़ाना. Pass me the salt. Pass me the salt. बाजार से जल्दी वापस आना. Come back quickly. Come back quickly. From the बाजार. क्या खाना चाहेंगे? What would you love to have? What would you love to have? कोई एक चीज़ बताओ. Just one thing. Just one thing. मैंने कल का दिन सोकर गुजारा. I spent my day in sleeping. I spent my day in sleeping. तुम चलते जाना. Keep going. Keep going. हिम्मत मत हारना. Don't lose heart. Don't lose heart. बहुत ही बढ़िया था ये. It was outstanding. It was outstanding. बहुत ही मज़ाहिया था. It was hilarious. It was hilarious. पहले इसको अंदर तो आने दो. Let him be in. Let him be in. जब वक्त मौजू हो. When it is feasible to. When it is feasible to. हाथ बांधो इसके. Tie his hand. Tie his hand. हाथ खोल दो इसके. Untie his hands. Untie his hands. इकट्ठे ही रहना. Stay united. Stay united. मिलते रहिएगा. Keep visiting. Keep seeing. Have me a little grace. कुछ तो इज्जत दो. Have me a little grace. Have me a little grace. ध्यान दो. Watch out. Watch out. मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I'm looking for. I'm looking for. मेरा ध्यान कहीं और था. I was preoccupied. I was preoccupied. मुझे शर्म आती है. I feel shy. I feel shy. क्या करते रहे हो? What have you been up to? What have you been up to? हम जल्दी सो जाया करते थे. We would sleep early. We would sleep early. हम उसका इंतज़ार किया करते थे. We would wait for him. We would wait for him. वक्त बहुत तेज़ी से गुजर गया. The time ticked away swiftly. The time ticked away swiftly. वो बूढ़ा हो गया. He grew old. He grew old. उसकी दाढ़ी आ गई. He grew beard. He grew beard. यहीं से ही मिलेगा. Grab it here only. Grab it here only. मस्ती मत करो मेरे साथ. Don't annoy me. मुझे तंग मत करो. Don't annoy